Hello and welcome to the world of options. We all know options is one of the most innovative and sophisticated financial product available for market participants. If you are aspiring to be an options trader, or if you are already trading options but facing few challenges in terms of understanding whether to be a options buyer or option seller, whether to trade directionally or to use non-directional strategies, whether to use option geeks in our day-to-day workings or not, then you should be attending the upcoming webinar called Options Edge. I am Dilip Sagar and I have been trading options for really a long time now, and I will be doing a session on how to use options for intraday trading. This all-day webinar will be on Saturday 23rd of September